So we are on PyCharm and I am going to paste in my set. So we can see my underscore set and it equals curly brackets, and we've got some items inside my set, and then we are printing my set to the console. So let's run the file and we can see the order. So the order has changed. You can see true, the boolean value of true is the first one, but we can see in my underscore set it's the last one. If I rerun the file again, we can see again true is at the beginning. If I rerun the file again, we can see it's changed to Sydney as the second one. So true, Sydney, Marrakesh. Let's run the file again. We can see it's changed true, 34, London. So the order does not stay the same. Finally, true has moved. So it's moved into the middle now. So if we go back to PyCharm and if I add another list, another item, let's copy Marrakesh and paste that in, and let's run the file. So we can see Marrakesh has been added in once, even though in my set I have included it in twice. So we are in PyCharm again. If I type my underscore set and then a dot, we can see our methods supported by the set. So you can scroll down, we can see there's quite a few methods here. And let's start off with add. So if I double click add and then add something inside here, let's go with Paris and let's run the file. And now we can see Paris is inside my underscore set. We have got two Marrakesh items inside the set, or elements. Let's remove one of these. Let's copy it and let's paste it in here. And let's use the remove method and run the file. Actually, what we see is it removes Marrakesh altogether from the set. So that's something even I've just learnt. It's removed both of them. Let's run the pop method. The pop method removes something randomly. So it removes an item randomly. Let's see if that works. And we can see 34 is still in there, London, Sydney, Marrakesh. So it's removed true. Let's run it again. So you can see it's fairly consistent in terms of what it wants to remove. So it's randomly removed true from my set. So far what we have used is my set.pop. We used the add function and we used the remove method. I should call them methods, not functions. And we can hash these out so they don't run, but we've got them there for reference. And for this one, let's create a new set. So we'll call it my underscore set 2. Let's paste that in. Got some random values inside here as well. Now what we can do is use the update method. So my underscore set dot update, and then in brackets my underscore set 2. So what we are doing here is we are passing my underscore set 2, and if we print this, so I've got an error because I'm missing the equal sign here. Let's add that in and let's run it again. Now we can see it adds all of my underscore set 2 items to my underscore set list. We can see they are all combined now. So we can see my underscore set contains the items of my underscore set as well as the items of my underscore set 2 as well. Or what we can do instead is create my underscore set 3 equals my underscore set dot union my underscore set 2. So to join the sets together and give the set a new name, we can use the union method. Let's run the file and we need to print my underscore set 3. So let's run the file again. Now we can see I have added my underscore set 2 and my underscore set. I created a new set called my underscore set 3. To clear them, we can use my underscore set 2 dot clear. And now if I run my underscore set 2, there's nothing inside the set. So if I run my underscore set instead, because I've not cleared my underscore set, we can still see the elements inside here. So that's what the clear method does. And we can also check if both sets have the same items as well. This will be done with intersection method. So we do something like, let's do it directly inside the print. Let's run the file. And we can see it saying London is a duplicate value. So if I scroll back up a little bit, we can see London is inside my underscore set and my underscore set 2 as well. So that's what the intersection does. It tells you if there are duplicate values in both sets, which there is. There's London. And you can do the opposite as well. You can see the differences between the two sets as well. So what we can do instead is use the difference method, and let's run the file. Now we can see the differences between the two sets. So Sydney, 34, Marrakesh and True are part of my underscore set, which are not part of my underscore set 2. And we can flip this around as well, just to see it the opposite way as well. Let's run it again. We can see now my underscore set 2 has California, 50, Antalya and 100. And these items do not exist in my underscore set. So these are the differences. I can do something like remove an item as well. My underscore set 2 dot remove. Let's go with 50. Let's run the file. And now we can see 50 has been removed from my underscore set 2. And that's it for sets. So in this video we've had a look at another data structure type. This is a collection type of sets. And we've had a look at some of the different methods supported by a set.